In a world where technology reigns supreme, the cutting edge of edge security is a marvel to behold. Imagine a fortress, but not of stone and mortar. This one's built of firewalls, intrusion detection systems, encryption, secure boot, and device authentication mechanisms, all tailored to shield our precious data from the lurking threats in the cyber realm. Why is this important, you might ask? Well, in our era of IoT devices, edge computing, and distributed architectures, securing the edge is crucial. It's the guardian of our data privacy, integrity, and availability. The latest developments in edge security are a testament to human ingenuity. They're not just about protecting data, they're about crafting a safer, more secure digital environment for all of us. So, every time your device connects, remember the invisible shield that stands between you and the vast world of cyber threats. In the end, edge security is more than just technology. It's a commitment to creating a safer digital world. And that's something we can all stand behind. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and remember, the digital world is yours to discover. This is the cutting edge. This is edge security. Stay safe out there, folks.